To my dad and my pa, thank you for everything. And to all his fathers, happy Father's Day. Love you all.
Our Father does not tell you He loves you, He shows you. He is your favorite doctor when you're sick. Our Father looks past all your faults and still cheers you on. When you're not feeling yourself and you do not understand what you're going through, our Father sheds light. Our Father is patient, our Father is kind. Our Father to me is unconditional love.
He is the son's first hero, he is a daughter's first love. He is kind, he is caring, he is encouraging, he is playful. He hurts inside when you fall, but he picks you up and tells you to try again and again and again. He gives you the last of his food, even though he's still hungry. He plays games with you, even though he's tired. He protects you from anyone or anything that could hurt you. He guards your heart and sets the standard, showing his son what it takes to be a man, showing his daughter how a man should treat her. He sacrifices his all for your happiness and always wants the best and nothing less for your life. He loves you wholeheartedly. He is your father, or the person who plays a fathering role in your life. May we thank the Lord for blessing us with such empowering men.
Dads are a son's first hero and a daughter's first love. You are someone to look up to no matter how tall we grow. You are our guardians, protectors, teachers, mentors, coaches, our taxi and our bank. You are one of two people who care to overlook who we've become and continue to believe in what we can still be. To our fathers and grandfathers, there's no way we can pay you back, but our plan is to show you that we understand you are appreciated.
Our Father to me, he works hard and he looks after me with a Joshua, and he plays games with me, and I love you, Dad.
Tama, uto ulu, poleau, ora inga, alfatumtumunga mea uma. Ia tō mautu whātutua, ua o te wea fu e manuira o inga, o nuu e kāresia. Ia vewa nei teime, o te ira whaanga whamoni anga na youth, e mātou uma, ia te mā uma tātou e kāresia. A mata me nā wane sunga e tuina mārolo, sunga whawhia mainga, e te mā patua, te mā uma tātou e kāresia. Tau ia maua o tause, asos te mawhiawhia manuia e whatasmau tātou reo e suki wiso o le ao le tātou tānasia. Mā rea wha uma tu mātou pese, o le atu amata no whaanga o tū te mā, o ni a terera sa te mā.
Ai, 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 tua ya wala ma lo si tau se ma tau tilama tau se tau ekalesia ia God bless and yes tama where are the kids
Laka, do you want to say something to your husband?
No, it's
and
fine.
today?
Thank you. It's all right. Happy Father's Day.
Ami?
I'm fine, thank you. I think I've embarrassed myself. I think thank you very much.
Do you want to say something for Father's Day?
Yeah. Pasai le roka malea leo le tua. Nei aso. Tata wauria mai ai le sao tama. Nei tau sang. Ia lo fangia le tua. Ia maua umatama le nei kalisia. Se aso tama fia. Mare manuia. Ro paanga na. Mai le makitanga tina.
So.
Wangalo.